Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, expand the portion right here, and in here you should see somewhere some kind of battery saver. Interesting, it's not in here, so I'm gonna navigate into the settings, battery, and in here we do have another actual toggle for it. So we have the performance mode and also the power saving mode. Now, performance will obviously be the exact opposite of power saving mode. It's gonna boost the device's performance, sacrificing battery life. But below that we have the power saving mode, which you can see it extends the battery life by like close to 20 hours. Maybe not 20, but like 16. Anyway, from here you just toggle it on and there we go. Now I'm gonna check one more thing because it says right now that we will get about 68 and about half an hour of usage. So if I max this out, okay, so this section does not take in account any kind of settings on your device. So brightness, toggles that you might be using like Wi-Fi or something like that is not counted in here, meaning that the timer here is just a general timer. You might get less battery or more battery depending on, for instance, how bright your screen is. And that's a nice battery percentage. Anyway, so that is how you can toggle on your power saving mode. Now once you're done with it, you have to apparently navigate back to the battery section in the settings and just turn it back off once you're done with it. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.